Welcome. In front of me is a MediaTek KT107, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone, or tablet in this case. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you just want to capture. I'm going to be using home screen as an example for this, and from there we have two different ways of capturing a screenshot. So number one would be by holding power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this that you just seen. This is the animation for a screenshot. So that's one way. Now another way you can do it is by pressing this key right over here. For some reason this comes actually enabled by default on this device, so you can press on it and there we go, there is your screenshot. Now when you have captured your screenshot, you can then find it in your photo gallery, so I'll open that up. As you can see, it creates an album called Screenshots, and in it you will find all the screenshots that I have captured. So there we go, there's the 2 or 3 different ones that I have captured over the time. So anyway, this is how you capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.